You don't need a lawyer, a credit repair company, or some $1,000 course to start fixing your credit. Realistically, there's a lot you can do yourself if you're willing to learn and stay consistent. You can pull all 3 of your credit reports for free at annualcreditreport.com and start reviewing them for errors. That means checking for late payments that shouldn't be there, old accounts that should have fallen off, or balances that are inaccurate. If you see something off, you can file disputes directly with the credit bureaus or go straight to the furnisher. You can also request debt validation from collectors, freeze your reports, and negotiate pay-for-delete agreements. And if you're organized, you can even start leveraging things like goodwill letters and 609, or method of verification requests. You can even track your own progress monthly and use tools like smartcredit.com, to watch score movements based on your actions. The key is being strategic and patient. Most people fail because they try to fix everything in one shot, or they don't take action at all. If you want a second opinion or help mapping it all out, just shoot us an email at service@creditfixguy.com or head over to creditfixguy.com. We'll help you keep it realistic, but powerful.